Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you enjoy these insights into the world of travel and tech, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're diving into Opodo, specifically Opodo.com. This online travel agency offers a one-stop shop for booking flights, hotels, and even car rentals, all bundled together if you prefer. It's designed to streamline your travel planning process, allowing you to compare options from various airlines and accommodation providers in a single search. Think of it as a digital travel agent, working to find you the best deals across a multitude of sources. One of the key features of Opodo is its comprehensive search functionality. You can input your desired travel dates, destinations, and passenger information, and the platform will generate a list of available options. This allows you to quickly assess different airlines, flight times, and prices, empowering you to make informed decisions based on your budget and preferences. Beyond just flights, Opodo integrates hotel and car rental options into the search process, offering the convenience of bundling your entire trip into one neat package. While Opodo can be a valuable resource for travelers, it's always prudent to do your research. Compare the prices offered on Opodo with those found directly on the airlines or hotels' websites. You might uncover additional discounts or promotions by booking directly. Also, pay close attention to the terms and conditions, particularly regarding baggage allowances and cancellation policies. These can vary significantly between providers, and understanding them upfront can save you potential headaches down the road. Utilizing a platform like Opodo provides a convenient overview of available travel options, but remember to always double-check the details before confirming your booking. Consider it a powerful starting point for your travel planning.